Hi guys, and welcome to my video of the My Countries database application that I've created for my modern database management class. As of right now, I have no application to showcase, but I at least wanted to go ahead and make a video to demonstrate what my initial objectives were and what I was planning on doing and what the ramifications of such actions were. So basically, I just wanted to make a country application that could include all the countries in the world, and by default, the sub databases that can contain the cities, attractions, populations, things like that, as an initial application. The the goals of this would basically be able to make people travel easier, have more data for them on hand if they had any specific questions about certain countries and things like that, and as well as being able to overcome some certain cultural diversities that we have today. And I think that just having that data available creates a better environment for people, more informed environment for people to live in and basically just go about their lives and their traveling. So the overall schema of what I was planning on doing with this application was creating a countries database that can create sub databases that deal with all these other things. This would allow for a lot of expansion. Right now, it would include countries, the cities in the countries, the attractions in the cities, and then possible population within the cities as well. But we could easily expand upon this as currency rates and exchanges, the area of a certain country, what countries are neighboring those countries. So if you want to travel, maybe some travel rates as well, and see what the plane to train comparison is, and then which continents it may be on, and things like that. So essentially, this was the main reason why I picked this topic, was just the ability to expand upon these numerous different sub databases that could be included inside the country's database and what the countries usually entail. Um, so basically, what I learned from this project is just being able to code Java with a SQL-based database, being able to connect those things, and also just a better understanding of how databases are related to different programming languages and how they're connected. I also learned a couple of harder lessons, just basically learning to have better time management, better forethought as far as starting projects go, because it was a little bit harder if I didn't start sooner. So that's mainly the reason I don't have an application to showcase. Um, but yeah, just as well as inspiring me to actually finish all the projects that I have that are unfinished as of right now, that I've started late and didn't, exactly finish completely, just so I have something better to showcase in the future, and something that I'm actually proud of, as opposed to just some half finished works that I've created so far. Also, just having the ability to view or ask questions and have better resources, proper resources, and knowing who to ask and having the right questions to ask before anything's due, so that it doesn't come down to the wire and such. So, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope everyone has a good night.